Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or switch off voice control on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down to the Physical and Motor section and then tap on Voice Control. In here, tap on Voice Control toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And once this is turned on, you can use your voice to issue command to your device. Now say here, voice controls allows you to use your voice to control your iOS device even when you are on calls. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.